have a question for you. Here I am again talking about the same solution to a lot of different ways agents have found to lose prospects. And I think I've got a really good answer for you here because, and by the way, I don't talk about things I haven't experienced. So let me tell you what happened to me about 1.5 years ago. I got a call from one of our students, Kathy. She wanted to meet with me. I didn't have time for that, but she was so frustrated. She said she'd been with these people about 6 weeks, and they'd been looking at short sales, and they wanted to renovate something. They set out to do that. They wanted to renovate a short sale. In other words, they wanted to quote unquote steal something and renovate it. And they started getting bids. She would show them the home. They would call the renovator. They would give them a bid to renovate that home, and it was too high. So they would want to see another home. And this went on for 6 weeks. She said, they're going crazy, and so am I. She said, I don't know how much longer I can stand this. And she said, do you have any suggestions? I said, Kathy, do you remember what we taught you about? And before I even got through, she said, oh, I should be showing them a new home, right? To show them what they can get for the money. I said, yes. She said, well, I don't have time. I'm leaving for the Philippines in about 2 days. And I said, well, why don't you call a couple of builders, go to Google, find out, since you haven't done anything in 16 years, you never sold one, but find a builder on Google in your neighborhood in the location they want, call them up, and see if they would protect your commission if you just sent them out. If that's the best you can do, that's the best you can do. She did that. She called and got 2 builders to agree to protect her commission. They set the appointments. She got on an airplane the next day. They went out to see the homes and bought one while she was in the Philippines on vacation. And she told me when she came back and they had the closing that they could not quit literally ranting about her at the closing on what a good agent she was. And what she had done was sent them out, for example, for the example I like to use, let's say the home was $300,000 and they were going to renovate it for, say, $100,000, so they were going to put $400,000 in the house. Kathy sent them out to see some $400,000 homes to show them what they could get for their money. And when they saw that they could move into this particular location in that home without touching anything, having to do any work, and could actually see, touch, and feel what it cost, and knew exactly what they could get for their money, they made the buying decision. You have anybody like that right now you might be thinking about that's confused about all the resales you're showing them where they cannot possibly understand the money, starting with they don't even know what the price is going to be, right? Show them a new home. You'll be glad you did.